Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable address bar drop-down list on your Microsoft Edge web browser. So if you want to disable the populating search results when you're typing into the address bar, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So you're going to start off by opening up Microsoft Edge if it's not presently open. And you're going to select the setting icon at the top right corner of Edge. Just left click on it and then select settings near the bottom of this list. Select privacy and security on the left side. Select privacy, search and services on the left side. Scroll down near the bottom of this page where it says address bar and search. Go ahead and left click on that. And then it says show me search and site suggestions using my typed characters. Go ahead and toggle that to the off position. And that's pretty much it, guys. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.